Hello and welcome back to the channel. This is Jay. Glad you could join me today. Today, I have a Saturday Morning Makes. And Saturday Morning Makes is a open collab hosted by Joe Norwood. And I'm joining in today. What I made was, if you guys have watched my channel enough, you know that I love a dimensional tag. I love to give friends my dimensional tags, and the people I've gave them to really like them. So this time the weather's getting cold, and they said something about snow outside, and I go, ooh, Winston. Winston is a colorized die by Tim Holtz. And make sure, yep, his name is Winston. So this is the die. And the die has 16 dies in order to make Winston. He's kind of a layered die. And so I played around with Winston. And while they were having a sale back a while back from Hobby Lobby, they had their little pieces on sale. And it was $1 something. And so I picked it up. And when I thought about snow, I went to my stash. I picked this out and I wanted to put it on a tag because, you know, I love a good dimensional tag. And there's Winston. So I propped him up a little bit, put some trees, some birch trees behind him, got this, super glued this down. And the tag is wood. And there's Winston. Did a little bit of snow here that he's sitting in. Added one little dark button. I think his others fell off. I'll put them back on. And so that's my Winston. So that's my first tag. My second tag is another dimensional tag. And this tag is going to be sent to a friend who I hadn't talked to in a while. And we talked the other day, and I just wanted her to know how I was thinking about her. So I sat down and I made a tag. So this one says, sending you hugs. Have a wonderful day and a fabulous year. So this is propped up a little bit dimensional. Added some flat back pearls. Added this beaded... It's from Joann's. It's called Beaded Pearls, and it was on sale at one time, and I picked it up, and I loved it. Added some of my various pieces of greenery that I cut out a while. I usually have greenery stuck in a little thing, and I go and pick it out. Added this, which I think is gorgeous. It was a Dollar Tree ornament, and I was using it. I was going to use it as an ornament on the tree, but then I go, I can use it on one of my tags. So I took it apart, and this is what it looked like when it was a tag, when it was an ornament. And it comes with a backing on it that's kind of dimensional, rounded. And I took that off, and I cut that part off and put some glittered paper behind it. So that's what that looked like. And I wanted to make another one because I enjoyed this one. I wanted to kind of do another one, but this time when I make it, I'm gonna, because this is already here, I'm gonna turn it into a balloon when I make the next one, because this one's just a circle, this one's gonna be a balloon. So I'm gonna do that. So these two tags were my Saturday Morning Makes, and I'm telling you, I just love a good tag. I do love a good tag, and if you watch my channel enough, you know I love a good tag. So tell me what you think. Tell me which tag you like best. And tell me if you've ever tried to put together one of Tim's colorized die. I love them. They take a little bit of a time, but they're fun to make. And Winston is one of my favorites. So here are my tags for Saturday Morning Makes. Let me thank Joe for having this collab. I'll see you all in my next video. Be the reason somebody smile. Have a wonderful day and a fabulous New Year's. And I'm sending you guys hugs. Talk to you soon. Bye now.